We love our pets, but some of them can have annoying habits. Today's question for our pet vet on call: how can I discourage my dog from digging holes in the yard?
Well, that could be tough because there's many reasons why he's probably digging. Number one is seeking cooler ground. If there's not enough shade, not enough places to cool off, they're digging down deep where the soil is cooler to cool off. Another one would be that they smell a burrow, either from mice or rats or moles, voles, crawdads. They're digging to hunt something down. Another one is that they are bored and there's nothing to do. They don't have enough toys or a companion. And there's always the good old OCD, which a lot of dogs do exhibit. So a way to stop that, if you can rule all those other things out, there is no vermin problem in your yard. There's definitely places to cool off. He has a play buddy. He might have something like an OCD. So to save your yard, you might need to build him a concrete run.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult female Pomeranian. Her name is Mara. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have a young female cat, a domestic shorthair named Fern. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?